guys, I am out here in the $0 bed. It is August 29th and I am going to harvest some of these tomatoes here. This is an Indigo series and they are called Indigo Cherry Drops. It looks as if seeds and such no longer carries that. None of the item numbers that they have here match what is still available. And I kind of read it. They didn't really indicate that there was a name change there. I also looked at Pine Tree, and I'm not seeing that there either. I am seeing that they also offer the Indigo Rose, which is also here as well. Okay, so what we're looking at is this right here. This is the Indigo Cherry Drops. They are a little bit bigger than a cherry tomato. This starts out green and then gets this lovely red, and it's got a lot of cush. When it's got that cush, you know it's done. The tops begin black, they stay black, and you can see like right here the green, black, actually that looks almost like a really dark purple to me. These taste wonderful, and the skin on them, I'm just going to go ahead and eat this one. It's pretty thin. To me, this is like definitely a cut in half and put on your salad. Cherry tomato. And it gives you plenty of seeds. And I've already collected the seeds for this year because they are a favorite. I'm just going to finish that. And you can see the leaves are pretty much the same. Got a lot of stuff in here going and flowing. And I've got an heirloom over here, or a black creme, I'm not sure. And next to it I have some sweet 100s. Now let's go out here to the tomato bin. So hey squirrel. And I know this is weedy. I like it weedy. Oh, see how big this one is here? And this definitely, you're going to have to cut this in half. And it starts to split a little bit. I should have come out and picked these yesterday probably. But see how they start a little bit smaller. And then of course they grow and they have these beautiful little clusters. They're gorgeous. They taste gorgeous. They're easy to grow. They're just like any other tomato. You can see I've got this one trimmed down very well compared to what we just looked at out there in the $0 bed. I believe I've got one more against the house, but really it's the same thing. You guys get the gist. So what I'm saying is these are awesome, awesome tasting tomatoes. To me, they're almost kind of the equivalent as far as like a cherry version of purple Cherokee. They just have that heirloom taste to them. Sometimes, you know, have you ever had a tomato to where it's like on the verge of being too ripe? Sometimes that's what these taste like. Like they are tasty. They are very, very tasty. And I love a black creme as well. So if you like a black creme, you like a purple Cherokee, you like incredibly flavorful tomatoes, try this. Indigo Cherry Drop. Look at how well these peppers are doing. They're very crowded. Oh, and look, here's that tomato. I don't think it's a black creme. It's either a mortgage lifter or a giant Belgium, but it looks like 4 of them have just grown together. That's not all of it. That's just the part that's ripening. This is all together here. So this will be interesting. Okay. So Well, just out here working. Thought I would tell you about these lovely tomatoes here, which again are Indigo cherry drops. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Love you.